Let's talk about the merge sort. This one works differently than you've seen before. The process uses a divide in half and then merge the halves back in order. So here we have a list of 6 values. The first thing we do is we divide that list into 2 halves. So we're going to push this half over to here, and we'll push this half over to here. Now we have a left half and a right half. We'll deal with the left half first. We're going to divide that again. And if there's an odd number, we'll divide it into a smaller and a larger half. So we'll divide these two down like so. Now the left half of this list is just 1 card. So we stop. We can't divide any further. But this list we can divide one more step, so we divide it this way. And since both halves have stopped dividing, then we start merging back. And we're going to merge these 2 halves into 1. But when we merge them back, we put them in the correct order. So here it's clear that the 3 should go first. So we're going to put the 3 up here. And then the 7 joins it here. And now we have a left half and a right half. And both halves are in sorted order. This one there's only 1 value. But this one we have merged them back into a sorted process. Now to merge these 2 halves back, we do the same thing. We look at the first card of each list and say which one should go first. And clearly it's the 3. So the 3 goes first. Now we look at the first card remaining, and the 5 should go next, followed by the 7. So now this half of the list is sorted. Now we go to the right half of the original split, and we do the same thing. We'll split it this way. The 4 is clearly just 1 card, so we're done splitting. So we'll split this again. And now we need to merge those 2 back into a list. Since they are 1 card each, there's no more divisions possible. So the ace will go first, followed by the 2. And so now we're going to merge these 2 lists together. And clearly the ace should go first, followed by the 2, and then 4 is left to finish up. So now we have 2 halves that have been separately divided and sorted and merged back. And now we're going to do the final merge process. And we look at the first cards of each one and we say which one should go first. It's clearly the ace. So the ace goes here. Now the first card of each one are the 2 and the 3. The 2 is clearly the next one to go. And now we look at the first card of each list, and it's the 3 that should go next. Now the first card of each list, the 4 should go next. Since this list is completely taken care of, we just move the rest of this list into position. And now we have a sorted list. Now this process is much more efficient than any of the previous sorts that we've done, the selection, insertion, and bubble. But again, the idea of the merge sort is to divide and divide and divide. When you get down to just a single value on each half, you merge back in order, merge back in order, merge back in order until you finally have a sorted list.